Hello everyone, welcome back to Sunny Live Trend. Thank you so much guys for tuning in. I'm here to update you of what's going to happen on Qgeberha, the Empire, from the 11th to the 15th of November 2024 on Monday. Msimelelo is forced to make a choice. Lulama helplessly watches Thulani walk away from her. Even attempted suicide is not enough to get Dando back into Zimkita's life on Tuesday. Thulani faces his nightmare. Zimkita won't go down without a fight on Wednesday. Stocky and Vuyokazi are beside themselves with the recent revelation about Lulama, but the dark side seems to pull Lulama in more and more. Zimkita reignites an old flame on this day. Msimelo's cheating ways comes back to haunt him when he decides to be fully loyal to Funeka. Vuyokazi prays for divine intervention to help Lulama turn away from the life she's leading after she turns her back on them on Friday. Msimelelo is caught between a rock and a hard place when his fantasies return to give him another wave of conflict. Vuyokazi's prayers fail to deliver Lulama from evil. Well guys, that's all I have for today. You can leave your comment below and share your opinion. Bye. Hello everyone.